Hey tech lovers! Want to turn your regular TV into a smart entertainment powerhouse? In 2025, Android TV boxes are faster, more powerful, and packed with features like 8K streaming, gaming, and voice control. But which one should you buy? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best Android TV boxes of 2025, tested for speed, performance, and value. Whether you're a streamer, gamer, or cord cutter, we've got the perfect pick for you. Stick around till the end for our number 1 recommendation. Number 1. The NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is the pinnacle of streaming devices, delivering unmatched performance, AI upscaling, and gaming capabilities. Powered by a Tegra X1 Plus processor, it handles 4K HDR content effortlessly, while AI-enhanced upscaling transforms HD videos into near 4K quality for a sharper, more immersive viewing experience. With Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, the Shield TV Pro ensures cinematic audio and visuals, making it perfect for movie enthusiasts. It runs Android TV, upgradable to Google TV, granting access to thousands of apps, including Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. Gamers benefit from GeForce Now Cloud Gaming, offering access to high-end PC titles without expensive hardware. The inclusion of 2 USB ports, Gigabit Ethernet, and expandable storage makes it versatile for media servers via Plex. Voice control via Google Assistant and seamless smart home integration add convenience, while its sleek, compact design fits any entertainment setup. For those seeking the best in streaming and gaming, the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro stands unrivaled in power, features, and future-proofing. It's not just a streamer, it's an entertainment powerhouse. Number 2. Google's latest Google TV Streamer 4K is a sleek, budget-friendly streaming device that brings the best of Android TV in a compact form. With 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos support, it delivers stunning picture quality and immersive sound, rivaling premium competitors. Powered by an M-Logic chipset, it ensures smooth performance for streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. The Google TV interface offers personalized recommendations, making it easy to discover new content. Powered by an M-Logic chipset, it ensures smooth performance for streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. The Google TV interface offers personalized recommendations, making it easy to discover new content. While it lacks Gigabit Ethernet or USB ports, its Wi-Fi 6 support ensures stable streaming. For an affordable price, the Google TV Streamer 4K is a fantastic choice for cord cutters who want a seamless, smart TV experience. Number 3. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is a powerful yet affordable streaming device that delivers vibrant 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos support, perfect for movie lovers and binge watchers. Powered by a 1.7 GHz quad-core processor, it ensures smooth navigation and fast app loading. The revamped Alexa voice remote, with dedicated app shortcuts, lets you control content hands-free, search across apps, and even manage smart home devices. The Fire OS interface is ad-supported but highly intuitive, with personalized recommendations from Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, and more. While it lacks Gigabit Ethernet, without an adapter, its Wi-Fi 6 support ensures stable streaming. Gamers can enjoy casual titles via Amazon Luna, though it's no match for NVIDIA Shield's GeForce Now. For its price, the Fire TV Stick 4K is one of the best budget 4K streamers, ideal for Alexa users and Prime subscribers. Number 4. Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen, the ultimate streaming experience. The Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Gen is a powerful and affordable streaming device designed to elevate your entertainment experience. Powered by an M-Logic S905X4 quad-core processor and running Android TV 11, it delivers smooth 4K HDR streaming with support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, ensuring stunning visuals and immersive sound. With 2 GB RAM and 8 GB storage, the TV box handles apps and games effortlessly. It supports Google Assistant for voice control and comes with Chromecast built-in, allowing seamless casting from your smartphone. The Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity ensures easy pairing with wireless headphones, speakers, and game controllers. The compact design fits any setup, while the HDMI 2.1 port ensures high-speed connectivity. Access thousands of apps via the Google Play Store, including Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. Number 5. The TiVo Stream 4K is a powerful streaming device that brings together your favorite content in one sleek, easy-to-use platform. With 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ support, it delivers stunning picture quality, while Dolby Atmos ensures immersive audio for a theater-like experience. What sets the TiVo Stream 4K apart is its smart content aggregation. The TiVo OS integrates popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and YouTube, while its universal search helps you find shows and movies across platforms instantly. The included voice remote with Google Assistant allows for hands-free control, making navigation effortless. Beyond streaming, the device supports Google Play Store apps, turning it into a mini entertainment hub for gaming, music, and more. Its fast performance comes from a quad-core processor and 2 GB RAM, ensuring smooth playback without lag. Compact and affordable, the TiVo Stream 4K is perfect for cord cutters who want seamless access to top-tier streaming services without the clutter. Whether you're binge-watching, gaming, or exploring new content, this device is a must-have for any modern entertainment setup. Upgrade your streaming experience today with TiVo Stream 4K, where convenience meets cutting-edge technology.